What we are going to do today is candidates. Today we are going to do this reading. Alright, you can open this on Google or PDF. You can download. Fine. Altruistic behavior. TOEFL reading. According to paragraph 1, which of the following is true? Let us read paragraph 1. Do not go on the quality of the video. As I said, you can download the PDF and then do the reading. Behaviors that lower the fitness of the individual but increase the fitness of another individual are termed altruistic. Examples of such behaviors are seen widely across the animal kingdom. Social insects such as worker bees have no ability to reproduce, yet they maintain the queen so she can populate the hive with her offspring. Meerkats keep a member of the group standing guard to warn the rest of the colony about intruders, even though the guarding meerkat is putting itself at risk. Wolves and wild dogs bring meat to pack members not present during a hunt. Although on the surface these behaviors appears to be altruistic, it may not be so simple. Let us read options. A for apple. Altruistic actions in nature decrease one's ability to survive while improving the fitness of others. B for boy. Worker bees are social insects that guards the colony and produce offspring with their queen. C. Meerkats work in groups to defend and warn their community against intruders. As of now, I think so B or C is true. D for dog. Wild dogs bringing meat back from a hunt is a well understood altruistic behavior. Any candidate who has found the answer? Would you like to share? Would you like to tell? What do you think so? What is the answer? D cannot be the answer. C is something that they are trying to trick you, but C is also not the answer. They have said something else in the paragraph. B is also tricky. What they are trying to say is that A. If we go for the paraphrasing, the correct answer will be A. Altruistic actions in nature decrease one ability to survive while improving the fitness of others. First line, behaviors that lower the fitness of the individual but increase the fitness of another individual are termed altruistic. Okay, so the answer to the first question is A for apple. Okay, the book The Selfish Gene deals with paragraph 2 There has been much discussion over why altruistic behaviors exist. Do these behaviors lead to overall evolutionary advantages for their species? Do they help the altruistic individual pass on its own genes? One explanation for altruistic type behaviors is found in the genetics of natural selection. In the 1976 book The Selfish Gene, scientist Richard Dawkins attempted to explain many seemingly altruistic behaviors from the viewpoint of the gene itself. Although a gene obviously cannot be selfish in the human sense, it may appear the way if the sacrifice of an individual benefits related individuals that share genes that are identical by descent, present in relative because of common ancestors. Mammal parents make this sacrifice to take care of their offspring. Emperor penguins migrate miles in harsh conditions to bring food back for their young. Selfish genes theory have been controversial over the years and is still discussed among scientists in real fields. Okay, all right. Let us read the options. The debate about why organisms behave altruistically. The popular theories scientists have on altruistic behaviors. The author's explanation of altruistic behaviors. Altruistic behaviors in humans with genes of identical descent. Candidates, even though if we will go with deals with word, this word deals with. What is the synonym of deals with? Deals means explanation. So where is this word is being used? It is used in C option. C for cat. The author's explanation of altruistic behaviors. So answer to the question number 2 is C for cat. Okay. Let's proceed further. Why does the author say emperor penguins migrate miles in harsh conditions to bring food back for their offspring? We have already read this paragraph. They are asking us to find the answer from the same paragraph, that is paragraph number 2. To explain why emperor penguins travel so far for food. To show that emperor penguins are birds that sacrifice the most for their young. To provide an example of altruistic behavior. To highlight how some altruistic behaviors fit the model of selfish gene theory. Candidates, while attempting these questions, you really need to understand the meaning of these words. To explain, to show, to provide an example, to highlight. If you will be able to or understand the difference between these words, then you will be able to find the answer of such questions. Okay. As of now, what they are doing is they are highlighting something. Emperor penguins migrate miles in harsh conditions to bring food back for their young. So they are highlighting a point. So the answer to the third question is D for dog. Fourth synonyms question. This can be something that can help you to gain marks score in TOEFL reading. The word superficially in paragraph 3 is closest in meaning to. Let us read paragraph 3. Even less related individuals with less genetic identity than those shared by parent and offspring benefit from seemingly altruistic behavior. The activities of social insects such as bees, rats, ants, and termites are good examples. Sterile workers in these societies take care of the queen because they are closely related to it, and as the queen has offspring, she is passing on genes from the workers indirectly. Thus, it is of fitness benefit for the workers to maintain the queen without having any direct chance of passing on its genes due to its sterility. This phenomena can explain many superficially altruistic behaviors seen in animals. However, these behaviors may not be truly defined as altruism in these cases because the actor is actually increasing its own fitness either directly through its own offspring or indirectly through the inclusive fitness it gains through relatives that share genes with it. Superficially, many candidates write artificially, but artificial is not the correct answer. Whatever you are thinking or you have seen in movies, it cannot be the answer, right? Superficial does not mean artificial. Artificial means something that is there, like artificial gold, that is in front of us, right? We can touch artificial gold. Superficial is something that we cannot touch. Creatively, beneficially, creativity is also something that we see, art and craft, drawing, creativity. That can also be not the answer. Now we are left with only A for apple, apparent, and D for dog, beneficial. Superficially something which we can benefit, I don't think so. Apparent is something that is nearby. So I'll go for apparent. Answer to the question number 4 is A for apple, apparent. Fine. Let's continue. All of the following are true except means there is one point that is not true. We have already read the paragraph. No, we have not. Let us read the paragraph. Unrelated individuals may also act altruistically to each other, and this seemed to defy the selfish gene explanation. An example of this has been observed in many monkey species, where a monkey will present its pack to an unrelated monkeys to have that individual pick the parasites from its fur. After a certain amount of time, the roles are reversed, and the first monkey now grooms the second monkey. Thus, there is reciprocity in the behavior. Both benefit from the interaction, and their fitness is raised more than if neither cooperated nor if one cooperated and the other did not cooperate. This behavior is still not necessarily altruistic, as the giving behavior of the actor is based on the expectation that it will be the receiver of the behavior in the future, termed reciprocal altruism. Reciprocal altruism requires that individuals repeatedly encounter each other, often the result of living in the same social group, and that cheaters, those that never give back, are punished. Alright, let us read the options. So what we are going to find, we are going to find a false statement. That is not true. Some species of monkey behave altruistically to others they are not related to. When monkeys practice reciprocal altruism, both participants gain. Reciprocal altruism cannot really be considered altruism. Reciprocal altruism occurs mostly in monkeys of the same species. Candidates, nothing like this of comparison we have studied. So the correct answer for question number 5 is D for dog. Okay. There are further other questions left from 6 to 10. Candidates, keep on preparing. We are also there to help, and if you need any coaching assistance, I'm the trainer. Let me know and I'll train you. Fine? Take care. Happy TOEFL.